So today, we're going to learn about Melusina. Ooh, the Spice Girl? Now this is Melusina right here, and according to myth, she was married to Count Siegfried, who owned the big castle up there on the Bach.
Oh, the castle that is Luxembourg?
Exactly. Lucy Limberhock is where the name Luxembourg comes from. Luxembourg comes from Lucy Lumberjack?
Shh, I'm trying to hear.
Now, as you can see, Melusina was a mermaid, but not all the time. She was sort of a part-time mermaid.
Was she purple?
That's this artist's interpretation. What color do you think she was?
You already said she's a miss, so I don't believe she has any color.
Melusina was your typical fair princess with golden hair and a beautiful singing voice. And she agreed to marry Siegfried on one condition. Prenup, I bet. She wants that castle.
You're not as funny as you think you are.
May I?
May I?
Oh, go ahead.
Alors, Melusina agrees to marry Siegfried as long as she can have every Saturday to have sex. And Siegfried must respect her privacy and leave her alone, of course.
Perfect. Siegfried agrees, and they marry, and everything is fine. They even have 7 kids together.
Are they part-time purple mermaids too?
Good one. But one Saturday, Siegfried's curiosity got the best of him. So he sneaked up to where she locked herself in her room. May I? And he peeks in the keyhole, and he's astonished by what he sees. Perv, Melusina is splashing around in a pool, and her lower body is like this, with a big fishy tail.
7 kids and he just realizes now. Bože, svašta.
I was thinking the same thing. When Melusina realized that Siegfried had been spying on her, she lets out a piercing scream and jumps into the Alzette, never to be seen again.
What about the kids? But she returns every 7 years, no? Not exactly Mother of the Year, that one.
But they say you can sometimes hear her beautiful voice serenading the valley from up there on the Bach. So she was a Spice Girl?